Hey guys, it's Miss Hardy recording for Biomedical Technology on Friday, September 25th. We know that we have a project due tonight, project number 2, transgenic animals. We're going to review what is on your to-do list for today, starting with going over the daily agenda. So I'm going to back out of this just like you can, and it'll take me back to the home screen. Clicking on daily agenda, I know first and foremost, I have a discussion board that is due. Okay, we're going to go over that discussion board. I know that I have, you should log into the Zooms every day if you can, and or listen to them when you can, the recorded version. For questions and concerns about the project, I'm going to review it again just for those of you who may not have started it yesterday, and then remind you that the project is due tonight by 11:59 p.m. A mistake on my portion is that you will not have a test on Tuesday. Okay, you will not have a test on Tuesday. We're going to test all of these mini units in Unit 3 together, so you will not test on Tuesday. So Monday will be most likely a note-taking day, and then Tuesday will be live Zoom to be able to kind of go through those notes that you take on the next mini unit, which is cloning, and one of my personal favorites. So clicking on your discussions for today, I've given you a scenario here, telling me what the following would be based on the parameters I gave you for your project. So filling out A through E. Okay, chimpanzee times a golden doodle. I will cross the opposable thumb of a chimp with a golden doodle to allow the doodle to be able to open doors, jars, etc. I want to have my golden doodle be able to assist my elderly mother when she is in need. So you need to tell me the original organism, the organism B, the transgene, the final product, and of course what the scientific benefit to that would be. And this is very similar to what you're required to do on your project. Okay, so clicking back into our modules, you're going to scroll down and see project number 2. Okay, project number 2, Unit C, transgenic animals, due tonight by 11:59 p.m. We are going to click into that, and you'll see that for this project, you're going to create 4 genetically modified organisms. You must create genetically modified organisms that will benefit science. You will detail the following: organism A, organism B, the transgene, final product, and scientific benefit. Please be reminded what we talked about and clarified yesterday, that if we consider GMO our primary umbrella, then a transgenic organism is a type of GMO because we have genetically modified a transgenic organism by putting new genetic material in it. You can genetically modify organisms within their own genes, and you don't add genes from a different species. Those are just referred to as genetically modified organisms. For this, I am asking you to cross 2. So for example, it is worth 2.5 points to have organism A, 2.5 points to have organism B, 5 points to tell me what the transgene is. It's worth 5 points to tell me what the final product would be, and most importantly, 10 points to tell me what the scientific benefit would be. And again, there has to be a scientific benefit that is biomedically technology related. So what that means, biomedical technology related, is how does it benefit science? How does it benefit us? Because we are human. How does it help us? Okay, so you will have 4 of these. I expect you to present them to me just like you see here. So either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, D, E, whatever you like. And then make sure that you have it all neat and organized when you submit to me. Your scenarios for this project must be beneficial to science, and also they must be true, meaning it must be realistic. Reptiles are not susceptible to the rabies virus, so the scenario above makes sense. So I'll do my homework when I'm grading these to make sure that you've done yours. You must detail your organisms, transgene information, and present your information in a neat and detailed document. You do not have to use just animals. You can use any living organism, okay? So plants, animals, and bacteria. I do traditionally tell my students to shy away from humans. However, there have been a couple scenarios so far that have been presented to me where it was done in an appropriate manner, okay? So this project is due by 9:25, which is today, by 11:59 p.m. Heading back to this screen, a couple of general reminders for you. The marking period ended yesterday. If you were going to submit makeup work to me, it was due yesterday by 11:59 p.m. because I am now going to turn around and start submitting your grades for your report cards. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, As of this morning, your grades were accurate on PowerSchool. So you can actually go ahead and take a look at that R1 grade and make sure there's nothing that you see an issue with. Teachers have to have grades in by Tuesday, I believe. So that's when you'll see me kind of going in and finalize. But this project will be your first grade on the R2 or second 6 weeks. If you have any questions, I am available on virtual Monday. Look for your assignment on Monday by 8:30. I will be available 8:30 to 3 on Monday, so I will not have my 3 to 4 office hours. However, I will be available the rest of that time, but your assignment should be pretty straightforward. Thank you, guys.